AI is transforming the marketing landscape by enabling creators to be significantly more productive and to be able to wear more hats.
When it comes to marketing, just being able to truly talk to that target audience, that's what I love about AI.
I think it's wonderful that we have an AI marketing community here really looking at what AI can do for our industry.
What it does for us is it offers a way of educating us and also networking in ways you don't get in other communities.
I was really empowered by the quality of speakers and the energy in the audience, and I've been to a lot of networking events and belong to a lot of groups. This is by far the best.
Each time I come to an event like this, I pick up at least 2 or 3 things that immediately make me more valuable and productive as a marketer.
Coming here, learning, talking, networking, is an added plus for us. The more we come to things like this, the better.
There's still a people component, make those connections, and this is a great community to do that.